Solving simple equation with letter on one side. Simple equation with letter on one side of the equation. Solve these equations. 3x plus 3 equals 18. 4y minus 8 equals 4. Minus 4 equals 3x minus 13. You can interpret this in a different way. What would you multiply by 3? When you add 3, then you have 18 as your answer. What number would you multiply by 4? When you take 8 away, you get 4 as your answer. What number would you take 13 away from to give you minus 4 as your answer? Okay, let's look at the answers. Now, there are many ways we can solve these equations, but let's use algebra here because it will help in the long run. Now, the first thing here is plus 3. Plus 3. But if you look here, there are two sides to this. This is one side. This is another side of the equation. This side and this side are separated by equal sign. So we need to find what the letter is. When I multiply it by 3, add 3 to it, I've got 18. A good start will be to look at this plus 3 here, do the opposite to get rid of that. Plus 3, we do minus 3, that will cancel out. But you have to do it both sides. That's one thing with algebra, you got to do things at one side, you got to do it the other side. So 18 take 3. So here you now have 3x equals 15. Remember, this cancels out. So we got 3x and 18 take 3, that gives me 15. Now I'm not looking for 3 loads of x, I'm just looking for 1x. So I have to divide 15 by 3 to tell me that x is 5. Come to think about it, 3 times 5 is 15. So x is 5. Same thing happens here. So I'm going to get rid of this minus 8 by doing the opposite. Plus 8 here, and I have to do plus 8 here. So minus 8 and then plus 8 cancels out. It's got 4y equals 8 plus 4 is 12. Now I'm not looking for 4y, I only need 1y. So 12 divided by 4, that y is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Y must be 3. This is a little bit different here. Now, because I'm looking for x here, the best way to start is getting rid of minus 13 here by doing the opposite. So here, because it's minus 13, I need to put plus 13. But I need to do that on both sides. Remember that? So that cancels out. And then that gives me 9. Because 13 take away 4, that gives me 9. So this cancels out. So I have 3x. So 9 equals 3x, which is the same as saying 3x equals 9. Then if 3 loads of x is 9, 1x must be 3. So x is 3 because 3 times 3 is 9. So x is 3. Try this. Solve these equations. Press pause. When you're done, press play. Okay then. 4x equals 12 Surely, if you divide 12 by 4, you get 3. Think about it. 4 times 3 is 12. So this x here must be 3. Now, 5x plus 6 equals 21. We start by getting rid of plus 6. So we do the opposite, minus 6. But we have to do the opposite to both sides. So we have 5x that crosses out, then that left with 15. 21 takes 6, 15. So 5x give me 15. Again, I'm not looking for 5x. I'm interested in 1x. What would I times 5 to get 15? It has to be 3. Or 15 divided by 5, 3. And that's you done. This is the same. Start here by getting rid of this plus 1. So you have to do the opposite. So that is minus 1. So that crosses out, but you have to do minus 1 on this side as well. So that gives you 9. And then that crosses out, so you got 3x left. So 3x is 9. 1x has to be 3. Now, watch simple equations with brackets. A little bit different from this, but just bracket involved.